Hello there, my name is Ikenna Caleb Chidioke. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create an Excel spreadsheet with multiple pages using Python and Pandas. If that's something that interests you, consider subscribing and liking this video. So to get started, we need to install Python on our system. I assume that you have Python installed already. If you do not have Python installed, download the Python installer from the official Python website, and I will provide the link in the description. Run it and install it. It's pretty much straightforward. Then after installing Python, you need to install the Pandas package, which is a library that enables us to work with Excel file in Pandas. So to get started, go over, type here cmd to open up the command prompt, and then type this command pip install pandas, and then press enter. This will install the pandas package in your system. After that, then what I have here is that I have a folder opened already in VS Code with an empty file here that says excelwriter.py. There's nothing much here. So the first thing I need to do to get started is that I have to import pandas as PD. So after importing the pandas library, the next thing I want to do now is I want to create a data frame. So then to create a data frame, you need to type here data frame 1 is equal to PD, which is the pandas package dot data frame. And then I want to create a data frame to store values, list of values, in this case fruits. So I'll type here fruits, and then the array of fruits: apple, banana, mango, and orange. So the next thing I want to do is that I want to type the price or the sales of each items, since it's a sales report. So sales in kg here can be 200, 310, 350, 1, 2, 210. Note that it is same thing as the number of fruits we have. That's the number of sales, also the same as the number of fruits here. So we have created the data frame. Then the next thing we need to do is to create another data frame 2, and this time around this is going to store all the vegetables. So pandas pd.data frame, here type vegetables tables. So what are the vegetables? Tomato, onion, lady's finger, and carrots. So I have an error here. Here should be a curly brace here. Good. Now the next thing is the sales in kg. Sales in kg. Pass in the values here: 200, 305, 120, and 130. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 values here, and is equivalent to, also it matches the number of cells. Good. Now the next thing we want to do now is create the third data frame. Now these data frames simply represent the information that is going to be used to populate each of the Excel sheets. So here I'm going to create another data frame, and this one is going to be a data frame for soft drinks, Here we have Pepsi. Let's say Coca-Cola, Fanta, and then 7-Up. Then there are sales in kg or in count. The sales in count, Let's say here 1,200, 1,230, 1,300, and then 2,150. Let's say these are their sales. And then finally, the next thing we do now is to create the Excel writer object. So to do that, we'll say with pd.excel writer, then the path to the Excel file we want to write to, even if the Excel file does not exist, it will auto generate it for us. So let's say generated Excel file dot the extension of the Excel, so xlsx, that will say as writer. Then here we can now use it to use the Excel writer function. So let's do that. So let's take data frame, the first data frame dot to Excel, and then we'll take the writer. Then what should be the sheet name? The sheet name should be fruits, because this first data frame stores fruits, the second one stores vegetables, and the third one soft drinks. So that's what we're going to do now. So this one's fruits. Let's duplicate this 2 more times. Here data frame 2, vegetables, and then data frame 3 will store soft drinks. That's all it takes to create an Excel spreadsheet. Let's test this by running this code here. So you can see it generated the Excel spreadsheet for us. So to open it, let's go over to our folder where it is generated. So you can see it here. Double click. So here are the Excel files that were generated. This is the first sheet, the second sheet, then the third sheet having soft drinks. But I don't want these zeros here. I can as well remove it manually, but let's remove it using the Python program. So to do that, we're going to pass in an option here that says index false. Let's do it for all of the sheets. Index false. Index false. So before we can save, we need to close this, then save, Ctrl S, execute the code again, it will overwrite the previous Excel spreadsheet we created on top of this one. So let's open it again and see. Great. So we have all our Excel spreadsheets and each of them having the values within it. So that's pretty much what it takes to create an Excel spreadsheet with multiple pages. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications for more videos just like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.